Alright, so I'm trying to work on my truck, and I see this going right overhead me. I'm sorry, it's kind of late in the year. We're in the 70s. Seems a little strange to me. I can almost taste the aluminum. How about you? Let me bump this down and trying to find out what's wrong with my truck. I'm running really bad. Maybe it's all the aluminum in the air. Maybe the truck just really doesn't like aluminum in the oil filter. I mean the air filter. I mean, what is it? It's April 24th. It was like almost 80 degrees today. Did he explain to me why we would have something that looks like that? This other thing is my antenna wire. But there are other planes around and they're not doing that. That's freaking huge. Well, I'm not even allowed to even suggest what that might be. You know, my channel was doing really good, and I made a video about this stuff. It was amazing. You can say whatever you want on YouTube as long as you're willing to deal with the repercussions.